the governor of the province of Cebu. And I promise you, dili ka mo undang lang to, dili nila ibalik si Tatay Digong.
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
People's Governor.
Today, we gather here united by a common purpose to call for justice, compassion, and humanity. We are here to demand the immediate release of a man who has dedicated his life to serving our country. Former President and National Treasurer, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. At 80 years old, he has given so much of himself for the Philippine people. Now he finds himself in prison in the Hague, far from his homeland, far from the people who love him. This is a situation that should never happen to any leader, especially not to someone who has fought tirelessly for our nation's progress and sovereignty. During the campaign, nakahinungkot ko, niikot ko, na bahala na natin din basta ibalik lang si Tatay Digong.
Duterte!
Sa inyong prayers, na daog na itang ko sa endorso ni Tatay Digong. So, karon na nakadaog na ko, maningkamot sa tayo, mga-proud ka na ko. Kung ako maserbisyuhan ang mga Cebuanos sama sa inyong pagserbisyo sa mga kung tayo, salamat tayo sa inyong endorso. I will forever be grateful. Kung gusto ko tayo, may bawa ka na ako diri sa Cebu, isuportaan mo sa mga DBS. Naalay kapila, naalay gawin niya, dili-dili, pero kasagaran nilo na ako sa pagdiliran. You are a part of my victory.
Yay!
I stand for you tonight as the governor of the province of Cebu. And I promise you, dili ka mo undang lang to, dili nila ibalik si Tatay Digong.
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
I beg those who had kidnapped him, have mercy. Release him now. This is not just about one man. It is about justice, dignity, and the moral soul of our nation. We cannot stand by while a former leader, a national treasure, is taken away from us in this manner. We implore those in power to see the humanity in this situation. He is not a criminal. He is a Filipino who deserves our respect, our compassion, and our support. To the world, I say, Filipinos are a nation of compassion, of respect for our elders, and of justice. Let us not forget these values. Let us remember that our leaders should be judged by their service, their love for our country, and their love for their constituents. Today, I call on everyone here, on all Filipinos across the nation, bring him home now. Let us stand together, raise our voices, and remind those in authority that justice and mercy must prevail. To President Duterte, we say, you are not alone. The Filipino people are with you. We will continue to fight for your freedom, for your dignity, and for the respect that every Filipino deserves. Daghang salamat, thank you, and may God bless our beloved.
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Daghang salamat na karon nakita ko sa likod kaso mo kalimutan ko sa kasuhan sa buwan na wala pagduluhin sa kanigo. Karon na atay video show, na video clip no ato makita. So daghang salamat na bibigay sa inyo.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Philippines, Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Rodrigo Roa Duterte, do solemnly swear that I will faithfully, conscientiously fulfill my duties as President of the Philippines. We will not stop until the last drug lord, the last financier, and the last pusher have surrendered or put behind bars. Or below the ground, if they so wish. I am commending of those of the Republic of the Philippines on the ground for your relentless effort and determination in our goal to retake the city of Marawi from the Maotic group and the other local terrorists. I joined the operating groups that carry on under our objective of wiping out these enemies of the state and the people has been achieved. I urge you to remain steadfast and alert as Marshall Mindanao will remain different. The Malasakit Centers Act has proven to be a big help to our less fortunate citizens needing medical services to one-stop platform in government office. We commend the initiative of Senator Bongo in this regard, as well as other significant measures ang krisis na inyong ginagawa karon. Bukat tayo bilang tungod sa daghang tao nga napinsala atong mga matay. So, butang na ito atong faith sa Ginoo. Ano ang hintayin mo? Ginoo na ito na makupat ang matay na ano na. Ngita na lang ang paagi para matabakan na ito atong buhay. So, ako karon ang ingon naat education para po ang singer kita ko korta pagkahuman ako na yung manubong sa tanang mga tayo ako na yung masuk ako na sa BSWD BSWD diyan na sila na yung nagkakaya ko sa ospital. Dili ko kaya ng mga inanak kaya. The Filipino people, rest assured,